If you have ever felt like you have nothing to wear just like all the girls, then do watch this video because these 10 styling tips will change your life. So the first and the most important one is that do invest in basics like white t-shirt, basic white top, black tank top, blue, black jeans, black trousers and denims. These are the basic pieces that you will end up wearing the most. So do invest in good basics rather than buying the trendy clothes. Because trust me, you will end up wearing them the most. They are the go-to pieces. You can pair them with almost everything. So the second point is play with proportions. Like if you are wearing a fitted top, always pair them with baggy jeans, and if you are wearing anything skinny at the bottom, then always wear oversized t-shirts or oversized tops. That will really look balanced and will make your outfit 10x better. And the third point is layer with shirts. Do invest in shirts also because you can layer them on your t-shirts, crop tops and tank tops, and that will really elevate your look. Like a shirt can work as a cover up, as a jacket, or even you can like tie around your waist and it will really give a very nice look. And the fourth one and my favorite is denim is forever. I love denims and denim is like evergreen. So do invest in good denim jackets, denim jeans, denim tops. Denim corset tops are really trendy these days, so you can invest in that too. Because again, like shirts, you can also pair denim jeans and denim jackets with a lot of things, and that will give you a new look every time. And the fifth point is neutral palette is timeless, like whites, gray, black, beige. These colors are really the most worn ones and you will end up wearing them the most. So do invest in neutral palette rather than the bright colors. Sixth point is accessorize. Good accessories can really elevate your look and make you look very clean girl and that girl vibe. As you can see, I'm wearing these gold earrings with a black tank top, and this is making me feel really put together. So you can also invest in good accessories like basic gold or silver ones. That is your personal preference, what you like more, and that will really change your styling game. Now the next point is white sneakers. White sneakers are like a must have for everyone. White sneakers really go with anything and everything, so do own a pair of white sneakers. Next is monochrome magic. If you are wearing the same color palette, then it will really make you look taller and stylish. Like if you are wearing brown and light brown, beige, something like that, it will make you look taller because it creates an illusion of the same color, so you look taller. And also it really looks like that you have put a lot of effort in your outfit, although it's effortless. Next is fit over brand. Don't run for brands. It is not necessary that branded clothes will look good on you. If you have a good fashion sense and a styling sense, I think you all have, that's why you are here watching this video. So do remember that a well-fitted 300 top will look far better than an ill-fitted branded top. So the last and the most important point is confidence is the key. If you have that confidence in yourself, you can pull any outfit. And if you'll wear any outfit with the utmost confidence, then you will look fashionable and stylish instantly. So do follow all these styling tips and carry your outfit, yourself and your personality with full confidence, and this will change your life. So that's it for the video. If you like the tips and the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.